Okay, I lied when I said the attic was my favorite spot. Now I'm on my favorite spot, the roof. Um, but we're still looking at that dryer vent, and check it out. Remember we were talking about how that thing can get really clogged? There is no air coming through here. It is completely clogged with lead. Again, guys, that is directly related to that excessive length of the vent pipe and that moisture that builds up and helps that lint stick inside of that pipe. Additionally, there's probably some issues with this thing not being cleaned regularly, but anyway, that's it. Another one.